Hey tech fans, welcome to 9 Pro Tech. Today we're checking out Realme's latest budget powerhouse, the Realme 14T. You get a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2100 nits peak brightness. That means buttery smooth scrolling and excellent visibility, even in bright sunlight. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a solid mid-range chip built for 5G performance and efficiency. You get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, so multitasking and app switching is a breeze. Realme 14T features a sleek build and comes in 3 stunning colors: surf green, obsidian black, and lightning purple. It's also IP68 and IP69 rated, so it's dustproof and can even survive some serious water splashes. Not bad at all for a budget phone. Plus, it runs on Android 15 with Realme UI 6, giving you the latest features and updates right out of the box. For the camera setup, you've got a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It's not a triple or quad setup, but it gets the job done in daylight. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera, perfect for social media-ready snaps and video calls. Both front and rear support 1080p video recording at 30 and 60 FPS. The battery is a beast 6,000 milliamp hours. That means this phone will easily last you a day and a half with heavy use. And when it's time to top up, the 45-watt fast charging gets you to 50% in just 30 minutes. So, what do you think? Is the Realme 14T the new king of budget phones? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next tech deep dive. Catch you in the next one.